Watch a cat yelling at customer service, a parrot mocking him, and Alexa taking a pizza order from a bird before that hit the subscribe button for this cute cats.
This line's so slow. I've been standing here forever for this bread. Do you even know how to scan? Speed it up already. I don't have all this. Look at the line behind me. Are you kidding me? I said no pickles. Oh, stop. Oh my. Are you serious? Don't even think.
Meow. Meow. Bad decision. Bad decision.
Alexa, order pizza.
I need permission from the primary account holder.
You can't even order pizza without permission.
That's correct.
That's why your boyfriend left you for Siri.
Oh my...